Hello and welcome to Peak Executive Partners Podcast. My name is Tim Blinkhorn, and this is my business partner, Evan Keller.
Tim, how are you doing?
Great. About you?
Good.
Good. Today we want to just talk a little bit about Peak Executive Partners, who we are, what we're all about, why we started the company, and a little bit about our experience and the things that we've been working with other clients on.
Yeah, absolutely. I would say that, oftentimes clients will come to us when they have some sort of financial profitability concern. They've churned through a series of management teams, CEOs, presidents, and are really looking for some sort of change. And so we work with the client to understand why is it that we're seeing this churn without results. And we really try to work across a series of pragmatic approaches, compartmentalized into the key areas that we've identified. Businesses either struggle to work through or have some need to grab another gear in each of those elements. Maybe you can talk a little bit about what those are.
I think you're talking about the Peak Way.
That's right.
And the Peak Way is all about 5 areas that we work with our customers on. One is talent and culture, growth, execution, strategy, and profitability. Those are the areas that we go in and help. And I think to really hammer the point is we're hands-on executive leaders and we help people win.
That's right. I think far too often what we've seen is if you don't have one of those 5 areas right or multiples of those areas are off center, you're likely not enjoying the outcome as an owner or board. And again, I think that's where we can often help and enjoy doing so. We bring really over 50 years of experience working together, working across a variety of industries, everything from durables to consumer products, food, banking, you name it. We've been fortunate to experience it. Worked across a variety of different sizes of businesses, from small to large, publicly traded, private businesses that we've owned, grown, and sold ourselves. So we try to bring that level of entrepreneurial spirit, that level of owner accountability, and ultimately some of the diligence and learning that you get in the big corporations also.
Yeah, I think I'd add we have a deep knowledge of channel, and that could be direct, it could be dealer, it could be distributor. We've done that. We've done it in the U.S. We've done it outside the U.S. And just all of those types of avenues. I did like that you touched on accountability. When we work with our clients, I feel like we really work with them on running their business as we own it. It's like our checkbook.
Yep, that's right. I think you and I were both fortunate to not only work in but grow up around small family businesses where ultimately there was a person accountable and there was no getting around that. So we bring that level of accountability. I also think we bring a breadth of scope that a lot of outsiders don't bring when they simply come to help diagnose a problem, provide a plan, and then leave. Ours is about working with the client in a variety of ways that may be actually running the business for a period of time, either in the interim while they look for a new CEO or president. It may be running it through a period of time, leading a turnaround initiative. Or for some companies that don't have as expansive of problems or gaps in their leadership team, it may be fractional engagements, limited time engagements. But we're happy to talk to really anybody and everybody that runs a business that wants to grab that next gear, and we're happy to help.
Yeah, and I think the great thing about both of us is that we individually had success in Fortune 500 companies, learning and understanding and running businesses. Then you and I took that and bought our own business and got definitely good experience out of that. And now we see a need for smaller businesses, could be, I don't know, $1 million in revenue all the way up to $1 billion in revenue. Anywhere in that shape that people are looking for certain things that we can do to help them. And that's where once we saw the need, we kind of said, hey, this is what we want to do.
Absolutely. I think we found that, throughout the business's history, as it goes through different shapes and forms and purchases and sales, a lot of need out there to finally put some leadership in place that works in a pragmatic way. And that's certainly what we look forward to bringing.
Good. Do you want to wrap this up?
Yeah, I'd say if any of this sounds like something the business you operate may need help with, please reach out to us. peakexecutivepartners.com is a great place to find us. We look forward to having a conversation.
Thank you.